Get ready to redefine your travel experience with the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Crafter Motorhome. A powerful, intelligent, and surprisingly luxurious home on wheels. At the heart of the 2026 Crafter Motorhome is Volkswagen's proven 2.0-liter bi-TDI diesel engine, delivering a punchy 177 horsepower and 410 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a newly tuned 8-speed automatic transmission, this motorhome offers a smooth yet responsive ride across highways and back roads alike. The front-wheel drive layout ensures excellent traction and stability, even when navigating tight corners or steep inclines. Plus, with optional 4 MOTION all-wheel drive, the Crafter becomes a true all-season traveler, capable of handling muddy campsites and snow-dusted mountain passes with ease. Efficiency and strength combine to make long-distance driving effortless. Volkswagen is set to unveil the 2026 Crafter Motorhome in late summer 2025, with full-scale production beginning in early 2026. European dealerships are expected to receive first deliveries by March 2026, with North America and select global markets following by mid-year. Pre-orders are expected to open shortly after the official reveal. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel like you're entering a modern, upscale studio apartment on wheels. The 2026 Crafter Motorhome makes brilliant use of space, with a design that blends sleek aesthetics and practical functionality. The living area features soft LED lighting, a wraparound dinette with premium upholstery, and large, tinted windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, a high-efficiency compressor fridge, a deep stainless steel sink, and clever modular storage that keeps essentials organized but out of sight. In the rear sleeping quarters, a full-size memory foam bed offers hotel-level comfort, complete with built-in USB ports, reading lights, and ambient lighting. Overhead lockers, underbed storage, and wardrobe cabinets ensure there's room for all your gear. The bathroom includes a wet bath design with a cassette toilet, hot water shower, and folding sink that maximizes space without compromising functionality. Everything is controlled via a central digital interface or through your smartphone. Temperature, lighting, battery management, and even tank levels. This is truly a smart camper for the digital age. The base model of the 2026 Volkswagen Crafter Motorhome is expected to start around $105,000 USD, depending on market and configuration. Fully loaded versions with solar panels, lithium battery systems, upgraded audio, and 4 MOTION can push the price closer to $125,000. For what it offers in comfort, technology, and reliability, it's one of the most attractive options in the high-end compact motorhome segment.